Picture this: an endless row of street lamps stretching across the horizon. At first glance, one might imagine that such a scenario would flood the night with light, rendering the darkness obsolete. But in reality, the night persists, enveloping us in its inky sheath despite the theoretical possibility of infinite illumination. This intriguing paradox captures the essence of an optical and physical phenomenon known as the Olbers paradox, which contemplates the darkness of the night sky despite the countless stars, analogous to our infinite street lamps. But what precisely sustains the darkness? Several factors come into play, each contributing to this dimmed reality. As we delve into the first factor, let's imagine a fog or dust in the air. These particles scatter and absorb light, effectively blanketing the brightness that emanates from our hypothetical street lamps. This scattering means that rather than reaching infinity, light is absorbed or redirected long before it can bathe the sky in constant daylight. Indeed, while our immediate surroundings may glow, the greater distances remain shrouded in mystery and darkness. Next, consider the concept of expansion, the ever-stretching universe. In our street lamp scenario, think of the lamps themselves being stretched apart over time, mimicking galaxies being pushed away in the cosmos. This cosmic expansion reduces the apparent brightness of each lamp, much like the stretched wavelengths of light we observe from distant stars. As the lamps drift further and further apart, their collective glow diminishes, leaving plenty of room for night to retain its grip. Finally, the curvature of the Earth presents the reality of a finite horizon. Regardless of how many street lamps might line up in infinite succession, our view can only stretch so far. The Earth itself curves and limits our line of sight, ensuring that only a finite number of lamps are visible from any given vantage point. This natural boundary significantly diminishes the cumulative brightness and underscores the inherent limitations of our visual expanse. Thus, on contemplating an uninterrupted array of street lamps, these factors, fog, expansion, and horizon synergistically work to maintain the integrity of the night sky. The illusion of infinite light fades, constrained by the intrinsic properties of space, matter, and the limits of human perception. In conclusion, the night sky remains dark not only due to the physical limitations of an ever-expanding universe, but also due to terrestrial and celestial phenomena that control visibility and perception. This paradox challenges our understanding of infinity and light, leaving us to ponder the incredibly profound simplicity of darkness, illuminated only by the stars, or in our metaphor, the street lamps, that brave the expanse. As we look upon the night sky, or an endless row of lamps, we are reminded of the delicate balance between brilliant illumination and the abiding mystery of darkness.